Hello friends, this is question number 7, part 2. It's not exactly part 2, but I have just created this part 2 just to show you that you can have either as a Linux question in your exam or time sync one. So I have already shown you time sync one. Now I'm going to show you this SA Linux one. So create a playbook called salinux.yml and use system role. Set say Linux mode as enforcing on all managed node. So let's go to our machine. It's you have to do in the same way as I have already shown you to solve the question related to time sync. Okay, so again, first you have to do this step in your real-time exam. If you get this question, yum install rel system roles hyphen y. Is already done, so it's not installing it again. I have just shown you that this is how you have to do this step. Once you are done with this, you will go to the default path. Here you will see that some packages will get installed. Okay, look here, time sync, SA Linux, and there are other packages also which get installed once you install this rel system role package. Okay, so once you are done with this, remember guys, we have downloaded roles in our collections directory. In our case, collection directory name is my collection. So they in the exam they will provide you that link, URL. Using that URL you have to install those system role in that directory. And I just want to take you there. I already have there, and what you will do next, I'm gonna show you there once we are there. Okay, let me clear it so that you could see it. So we are in this directory now, and when I long list it, you can see this SA Linux role. Okay, how it is here, because we have already installed in our previous question using the URL, and that is why we can see this here. And once this is here, you have to copy this using this command rel, then sc linux to this roles directory. Remember, we already have created roles directory under Ansible, so we are going to put this uh, package in our role directory. So you will run this command. It's already here. Let's go there. Cd roles. When I long list, you can see is copied here. Okay, I have already done this, but I'm just showing you that how you will do. Okay, so once you are done with this, what you have to do, you should go to your Ansible directory, and here you have to create the file uh, playbook, your playbook. And look here, playbook name is salinux.yml. You have to use the same name which is given in the exam. Okay, you will get this name, and you will have to use the same name for your playbook. So I have already created this. I'm gonna show you what I have put there. Okay, look here, hyphen hosts and all many node. Okay, wars. This is the variable keyword. SE Linux policy colon targeted SE Linux trade enforcing and roles rel system role dot SE Linux. I put these two. They only ask enforcing, but it doesn't make any difference. You can put it. It's up to you. But I put it. And if you don't remember this code, I'm gonna show you how you get it. Again, we'll have to go to our roles directory. When I long list it, you see here SE Linux one, we have to go to this one and put SE Linux here. We are here in this directory. When I long list, I'm just gonna clear it so that you could see it. Okay. Again, you see here readme.md. Just cat it, cat this file, and you will you just go scroll up slowly so that you could see here. You can see this. This is the code. Okay, these are the value for the vars variables. Okay, you can copy this and then we are here. You know, this you can put that code variable. You can put here and put host all and role is this. Okay, this is how you can get. If you forget the value of these variables, you can get from there. Okay, so once you are done with this, you have to run this playbook. You can check syntax first in your real-time exam. This is what I would suggest you. Okay, so and you can even dry run it, but I'm gonna run it. I have already done it, and I'm just gonna show you that this is how you will get the result. Screen because I have already run this playbook. It's done, and now you can you can confirm it. SC Linux. This is the file. You can cat it on all the many node, and you see the node. Look here, SC Linux is enforcing, right? Like this, you can see on all the node. This is you can scroll up and see. It's up to you, but if you see that playbook has already run successfully, no need. Look here, node 2. Okay, everywhere SE Linux equal to enforcing. Node 3, right? Node 4, all nodes are here. So we are done with this question, guys, and this is how you have to solve this. if you have this question in your real-time exam scenario. I hope this will help you. Guys, if you like this video, please share this video, like, and also hit the bell icon so that you could get the notification of the new stuff. And one more thing, subscribe my channel. And thank you very much for watching this video, guys. See you next time for another video. Bye.